Okay, so 6 eggs, 6 different ways, right? People ask me to do it. Let's do it. Right. First one, we're going to go with this one. This is pesto and cheese. That was all right. Pesto is a bit overpowering, but it's okay. That's all right. This one is, so, a gherkin, or a pickle, whatever you want to call it, ketchup and mustard. Let's go for that one. That one's nice. I don't want that one. Right. And then I've got cottage cheese with honey. Those people told me to try it with that, so I'm really shaky. I don't know why. Ready? That's nice. This one is pickled peppers and crispy onions. Again, that is nice. Should I be doing horrible ones? I don't know. That one I don't want. Ugh. Right, pepperoni. Got a bit of, I don't know what to do. So pepperoni, ooh, garlic and herb dip. I don't like that dip. I don't like that dip anymore. No, that ruined it. Then this one. I'm not looking forward to this one, if I'm honest. So this is egg, peanut butter and jam. It's actually not that bad. What the fuck? That actually wasn't bad. That is bizarre. I thought I was going to throw up. I like that challenge. Oh, it was good.